So here we have the Toyota Sora 91 model 1uz and or the Lexus SC3/400. And many people have been having problems with the alternator, trying to get it out. So what I've done today is I've pretty much removed the airbox going up to there. Next one I've undone is the power steering reservoir. As you can see on mine, the leak is basically coming from the piping. Secondly, I've undone the radiator reservoir, which usually sits within just here on the actual radiator, which should give me enough leverage to brush this out of the way. As you can see, my alternator is still sitting down there, and then hopefully that is probably the easiest way to do it. However, I did jack the car up to get the alternator out. It was a bit fidgety at first, but basically I just used these car stands. Basically just jacked. In Australia, the driver's side is the right hand side, which is this side, and basically undid the bolts around surrounding the alternator, etc. Also undid some power steering hoses down the bottom, just for ease of access if you've got small little hands like myself, and it's just hanging down there. So basically the easiest way to probably do this is to undo the alternator from underneath and then try and remove it from the top. Anyway, I will show you the end result. Okay, so that was a big pain in the ass, and basically had to push this radiator pipe off to the side and really jiggle it to get the